Hey guys, today we're going to be making a quick video on how to use the instant replay feature on GeForce Experience. So what you want to do is you want to click Alt-Z first, and then there should be something called instant replay. Make sure it's on. So here you can turn it on and off. And then when you want to save something, you click Alt F10, and you can go to settings here and change the quality, the frame rate. But in order to do this first, you have to turn it off. Then you can go in the settings and turn off and on the quality, and you could change the length, so it could be 15 seconds to 20 minutes. Mine's set at 5 minutes. You could also change the bit rate and stuff. And yeah, so what you want to do is make sure you turn this on, and when you want to clip something for the last whatever minutes, you click Alt F10, and then after that you want to make sure you go back and go to gallery, and then it should be something like here, and you should click save. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed.